These things are everywhere in my garden, eating on my lettuce. They're just all over the place. And I've got my garden sprayer filled up with BT. BT. I will have to look it up because it's two really long words. But it's an organic, it's safe. It only affects caterpillars. And I've noticed a few other kind of caterpillars in the garden. I don't know what they are, but they're eating stuff. But yeah, these little boogers are everywhere. Hey, there's another one. And there's one I stepped on yesterday. There's one, he may have got weed eaten, I don't know. Here's another one right here. You know, I'm all for beneficial bugs, but these are not beneficial. There's another one. Right at the garden gate. One I stepped on yesterday, I think. Nope. There's one over here. So, I'm going to spray, I guess, pretty much everything in my garden with this stuff to make sure they don't eat my stuff no more. I'm going to start with these elderberry starts right here. Doesn't take much. And then this is Swiss chard. You do have to respray this after a rain, after it dries, you know. Potatoes, tomatoes. That's pretty much everything for now. And I'm going to spray my elderberries because last year I call them webworms. They got on them and ate all my blooms, so I didn't get any. different kind. Oh, I'm stripping the leaf. Get up high. So, what this stuff does, it affects their digestive system and makes them kind of sick. They can't digest food, so they just die. Right there. So, I'm going to try to stay on top of this so that I do have elderberries and so that everything in my garden doesn't get eaten up by these worms. Never had these. I mean, I've seen them before, but not like this. It's ridiculous. Anyway, thanks for joining me. BT. I will put the name on the screen.